Hello guys, my name is Amit Kumar and today we'll talk about how to use Claude Code for free, and this is not about using API from Open Router or Nvidia NIM. We will use Minimax 2.5 free model from Open Code. You can use this model anywhere you want like Claude Code, VS Code or like Open Code desktop app. So we will be covering Claude Code and Open Code desktop app. So for that, let me show you. Open your browser and hit opencode.ai and press on download and download the opencode desktop app for your operating system. And installation procedure is like the any other operating system, okay, sorry, any other software. So as you can see that I have built this like speed test terminal app using this Minimax 2.5 model, as you can see, okay. So it is very fast, not slow as the Nvidia NIM and Open Router APIs are very slow. As you can see that it will reply instantly. So I made this using like Minimax 2.5 free model, and it works just by installing the app. As you can see that I haven't provided the API key of OpenCode Gen. So just install the desktop app and it will works by default, okay. So this is it for the OpenCode desktop app. For the Claude Code, let me show you that I haven't logged into the my Claude Code, okay. So I will exit it. So go to your OpenCode website and like go to Gen mode and get started with Gen and log in with the Google or GitHub, any like provider you can choose. Just make an account, okay. So as you have seen that I have already an account, go to API keys and you can create the new API key, okay. Just add Claude free, whatever you want, or copy the existing one if it is there, okay. So I'll just copy this Claude free API key, okay. For now let me paste it here, okay. So now for the Claude setup, you need to install the Claude Code. That's a different video. You should know that how to install the Claude Code. If not, then Google it or YouTube it. Go to your like username default directory, okay. So there will be a .claude folder, okay. Open it and there is a settings.json file. So if you don't go to like this, just open your terminal and it will default open to the your default like username. Just do the code.claude and it will open the claude folder in your VS Code. Just open the settings.json. Let me zoom out a bit. So if there is no settings.json file for there, just create a settings.json file. It is very simple. And if your settings.json file is empty, so in my case it has content, it can be empty as well in your case. All you need to do is, if it is empty, just copy this content and paste it in here and just replace your API key from as we created in the like as we have created an earlier step. Just copy it and paste it here as like this and you are good to go in the settings.json file. But in my case, if there is like content earlier added to the settings.json file, then you need to do one thing, okay. Copy this content and go to your root and just add it like this, okay. And replace your API key as well. If and make sure I will be providing this code in the video description, so nothing to worry about it, and like proper instructions as well. So I have just added this. Now close this directory and let me open the terminal again, okay. Now we will go to my desktop and the project and the speed test project and we will open the Claude here, okay. Now it is showing that we have detected a custom API key in the environment. Do you want to proceed with the API key? So we will say yes, okay. So now let me show you the model. There is a Minimax 2.5 free model and I can show you, hey, what's our directory directory name, and let me add it to the current. Okay, so it will tell us. Okay, as you can see that the current directory is speed test. Okay, so I can change, I can say it like this. Okay, like as you can see, this is our white mode in the light mode in the Windows. Change the Windows theme mode to dark mode. Okay, let's see if it works or not. Okay, allow everything for now. Okay, it didn't work. I don't know why, but although it replied with the like instruction as well, but it can work, I can assure you that. So you can use like Claude Code, like Minimax 2.5 free model in Claude Code for free. So this is it for this video, and in the next video I will be providing a more detailed version where you can use Opus, real Opus 4.7 version 4.7 of Opus, and like GPT 5.5 for free for at least 14 days, and it will be a trial method. I will be come up with a like video very soon. So make sure you subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.